Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 4.2. So in this exercise we are given the sums in which we have to perform division and multiplication of the fractions. So starting with the question, third part, it is 4 upon 4 divided by 64 upon 4 divided by 2 upon 4. So now in the previous exercise we had discussed that whenever we are having the sign of division, we take the reciprocal of the fraction on this side. Now in this question we are having the two signs of division. So that means we will take the reciprocal of this fraction as well as this fraction, and both the division signs will get changed into multiplication. So this will become 4 upon 4 multiply by 4 upon 64 multiply by 4 upon 2. Now you can cancel out the common factors in numerators and denominators. This will go on 4. 4 ones are 4. 16 fours are 64. Again 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Now we are left with 1 upon 4 into 2. So the answer is 1 upon 8. This is how we solve this kind of questions in which we are having three fractions with two signs of division. Then we will take the reciprocal of the two fractions on this side of division, and the sign of division will get changed into multiplication, and further we will cancel out the common factors in the numerators and denominators of these fractions, and then we will get our answer. Now come to its ninth part. That is 2 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 54 divided by 1 upon 3. Again we are having two signs of division. So to change the division into multiplication, we will take the reciprocal of these fractions. It will become 2 upon 9 multiply by 54 upon 3 multiply by 3, because 3 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3. Now we will cancel out the common factors. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. So we are left with 2 into 6, that is 12. Now come to its 17th part. In this we are given 20 upon 20 divided by 200 divided by 9 upon 10. Again we are having two division signs. So what we will write, 20 upon 20 multiply by, now the reciprocal of 200, 200 is a whole number, so the reciprocal of whole number is 1 upon the whole number, that is 1 upon 200 in this case, into 10 upon 9. Now you will cancel out. This will go on 20. This again 20. So we are left with 1 upon 20 multiplied by 9. So the answer is 1 upon 180. Now come to its last part. That is the 22nd question. 3 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 3 divided by 9 upon 10. Now here we are having two signs and one bracket also. So first of all we will solve the bracket. So it will become 3 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 divided by 9 upon 10. Now we will cancel out the common factors in the bracket. This will go on 3. So we are left with 1 upon 3 divided by 9 upon 10. Now the sign of division, it will be changed to multiplication, and we will get the reciprocal of this fraction, which is become 10 upon 9. Now there is no common factor in numerator and denominator, So we are left with 10/27. So this is all for the day. Thank you.